Hey everyone, welcome back. Yaje here. I'm heading to the garden today to start working on my fall garden. I'm so excited. The weather is finally cooling off around here. We've been getting some rainfall. Fall is here and it's time to grow a fall garden. So I'm going to take you along for the journey, share with you what I am planning to grow, how I'm prepping the space, and why. So if you are interested in knowing what I'm doing so that you can pick up some ideas and hopefully implement that in your own garden as well, then keep watching this video. So guys, over here is where I intend to do my fall garden, on this bed right here. So previously I had peppers growing on the bed. I don't know if I should leave the peppers or not. We'll find out what I do. I still have bitter leaf and then I have some water leaf, but I'm going to, well, and this okra plant, I'm going to clean the space right here, amend the soil, which just means I will add more compost, manure, whatever that I need to do, aerate, and then see what I can grow for the fall winter garden.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
All right, guys, this is what I'm looking at so far. I think it's looking better already. So, like I said, I have existing pepper plants here. I'm gonna get rid of some and leave some. I think this one here should go to give me more space. And then I'm gonna leave this one, probably get rid of this one and leave that one. And then these ones here in giant grow bags. I think I'm gonna get rid of these two in the front, probably plant some things in the grow bags. I will leave the two in the back alone. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next.
Lately, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges.
I'm done cleaning. As you can see, that was a lot of work. The next step will be to aerate that piece of land. And this is the tool I'm going to be using. This is the tool that people use back home. Small farmers, they use this hoe back home to till. As you can see, it has a very large surface area. It is sharp. Well, mine is a little rusty because it's been outside. But this is what I'm going to use. And it requires some squatting and some digging. So we're going to aerate the soil to get air in, so that it facilitates root development. And then I'm going to add a layer of manure. And that piece of land will be ready to take my seeds for the fall garden. All right, let's go and farm. Oh, it helps to wear proper shoes.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head.
I'm gonna be adding this chicken manure right here. Chicken manure. pellets.
I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So guys, this is the end product. All right, I'm gonna explain what all of these are in a second and why I did that. Then let's just look at what I was able to do with that space. Okay. All right guys, so what you see here is my attempt at creating what is known as a square foot garden, where you create square feet. I guess this is 12 inches by 12, so a foot. You know, I just use this to mark the spots so that I have a square. And the idea with square foot gardening is you can grow a lot of different things in a small space. You know, it's something I came across online and I wanted to try it here. So I've already watered my soil, as you can see, and we are now ready to put in some seeds or transplants. I'm not yet sure. I have not decided whether I want to get transplants from the store or whether I want to start my 4 plants from seeds. All right guys, I'm gonna be growing 3 different types of vegetables in that space over there for my fall winter garden. First will be this green glazed collards. I got the seeds from True Love Seeds. This one takes about 80 days to mature, 80 days to maturity, and it will do well in the fall and the winter as well. Green glazed collards. And then I'm also going to grow some kale. This is black magic kale, so it's not your regular kale. I got the seeds from MI Gardener, so it has all the instructions on how to grow it right here. So it's gonna germinate in about 10 days, and in 65 days or so it should mature. So I'm excited about this. This is the lancinato type of kale. Every time you see a vegetable that has like a deep purple color like this, know it's loaded with antioxidants. So definitely I'll be growing this kale, and then I will also be trying out carrots. So this is the short and sweet carrots from Burpee Organics, and this one also matures in about 70 days. So yeah, and then if I go to the store and I find broccoli seedlings, I will also buy those and plant over there. So we are done. I have my collards over here, and then over here I have planted my carrots, and then over here I have planted my black magic kale. So we'll see how long the seeds take to germinate, and I will keep you posted. You should get started on your own fall garden as well. Find out what can grow in your area, what can grow. But generally the cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, cauliflower, cabbages will do well at this time of the year. Collards, things like that, they will do well in North America in the fall and winter months. It can withstand cold weather and even the frost.